Hi, my name is Ankit Jain, and I welcome you to my new course, Salesforce Agentforce Masterclass. With this course, you will have a complete roadmap to build the intelligent production-ready AI agents in the Salesforce. In this course, we will be covering how you can build the Agentforce agents from the scratch. We will try to get started with the foundational concepts of the AI. Then we will move to the architecture part. After that, we will see how you can build the real world agents using the flow, Apex, and the prompt builder. We will also try to understand how you can integrate your agents in the flow, in the Apex, API, Slack, Experience Cloud. We'll also try to cover a few advanced concepts like the RAG in this course. In this course, I tried to cover both the ways using which you can build the agents today. You can build the agents using the legacy builder as well as the agent script. Both the topics has been covered in detail with the multiple use cases. Moreover, we'll also try to cover a few advanced concepts like the custom lightning types and the testing data center as well. Let me give you a walkthrough of how this course will look like. So this is how I have divided this course into the 10 key section. You will get started with the foundational concept where we will try to understand what is AI, what are good prompt practices that you should be following, what are different prompt techniques which are available. Then I will be covering the fundamental concepts. What is the AI, a trusted AI architecture looks like? What are the different types of agents that can be created? What are the key building blocks of an agent? Then I will be talking in more detail with the multiple hands-on. As you can see, there are lots of hands-on activities has been provided here. uh, Here I will be talking about how you can go and build your agents with the help of custom action, and all the concepts has been explained with the multiple agents that I have created from the scratch in this course. Then I will be having a dedicated section which talks only about the prompt builder. What is prompt builder? What are the different ways to ground the prompt? What all the different ways to invoke the prompt? And in this section, I will be talking about the new thing that Salesforce have introduced, like the agent script. What all best practices that you should be following? How you can go and build the agents from the agent script. All these concepts has been covered with again multiple hands-on activities. Then I will be talking about the different ways to invoke the agents from the flow, Apex, API, Slack, Experience Cloud, understanding the concept of the context variable. Another advanced concept that I tried to cover here is the RAG in more detail with again multiple hands-on scenarios where I have explained how you can refer the files in the form of PDF, how you can refer the knowledge articles into your agent. Then I'll be covering the custom lightning types as well, how you can go and create the better UI experience in the conversation window. And then I will be talking about how you can test and activate the agent. It's not only that, the complete course is covered with the multiple quizzes as well. So altogether there are 10 quizzes, one quiz each section has been designed here. Now coming to the outline part, as just now I have explained, I'm starting with the foundation, then the AI architecture, then the custom action, prompt builder. There are lots of hands-on activities has been designed in this project. We'll be covering the scripting concept, invocation, context variables, custom lightning types, RAG, and the activation as well. Now, who is this course for? This course is primarily designed for the Salesforce administrators and the developers. Even though you are not a developer, you don't know how to write down the LWC or the Apex, that's completely fine. There are only few lectures which talks about the advanced concept like the Apex and the LWC. But apart from that, most of the project has been driven based on the admin concept. Definitely you needs to know the flow, because using the flow only I'll be creating most of the custom action. But in case you don't know that part as well, if you are, for example, a business analyst or a project manager, you conceptually want to understand how the agents work in the agent force, I'm making sure that in this project I am taking care of that as well. Moreover, in case you are someone who is want to learn the new skills, because AI is everywhere, we all know that how the AI is changing the way we go and do the programming and the way business handles the task. If you want to take the next step in your career, if you are a completely beginner to the agent force, this is the one course which will help you to understand the AI from the basics to the advanced agent force concept. Key features of this particular course here is there are end-to-end practice scenario, and for each practice scenario I try to provide a guide which will explain you the step-by-step approach how you can implement that particular practice scenario. I tried to make sure that I'm covering most of the real use cases like the case automation, lead creation, agent-driven workflows for this project. Moreover, as I said, I already have lots of quizzes, so which will help you to give the knowledge check whenever you are moving from one section to another section. I'm also planning to keep this particular course updated with the latest Salesforce releases so that you don't have to go anywhere whenever you are learning the Agentforce. Moving to the next question, why we learn the Agentforce skills in 2026? I believe everyone knows the answer for this. It's a next evolution. Agentforce, this is the one skill which is in massive demand. Nowadays, in addition to the admin skill set, if you have the Agentforce skill set as well, your profile will automatically have a weightage and it will definitely give you the career advantage as well. Agentforce is the one skill which will make you the future proof and which will help you to land the jobs or your dream jobs very easily. So in case you folks are ready to transform your career, if you want to go beyond the traditional development that you have done, want to learn the few advanced concepts, want to learn the industry demanded skills, if you want to stand out uh, into the crowd with your skills, then this is the course that I believe you should be looking for, and you should be finishing it end to end, because this course is a complete roadmap for you in case you want to master the Agentforce. So I am pretty much excited for you to get started with your Agentforce journey and building your first AI agent with me. I'm looking forward for you in this course. Thank you.